In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell effectively on Godaddy's website. Selling a domain or product online has its fair share of processes, but with Godaddy, it's streamlined and efficient provided you follow the right steps. Today, we'll demystify this process and guide you through each step to ensure that your sale goes as smoothly as possible. First things first, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account. Start by clicking on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the Godaddy homepage. Once you've found it, you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to access your account by entering your specific credentials. Type in your username and password in the designated fields. Remember, it's essential to keep your login details confidential and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button to proceed. This will take you directly to your Godaddy dashboard, where you'll have access to all your Godaddy services and settings. Your next move involves navigating to the DNS settings of your domain. You might wonder, what exactly is DNS? Simply put, DNS stands for Domain Name System, and it's essentially the phone book of the internet, translating domain names to IP addresses so browsers can load internet resources. To get there, you can follow a direct link that takes you to the DNS page, or manually access it by clicking through your account settings until you reach the page showcasing your domain settings. On the DNS page, you'll want to look for and click on the domain settings for the specific domain you're interested in selling. This section will give you a deeper insight into your domain's current configuration and settings. Once you're in the domain settings, the next step is to prepare your domain for sale, which you can do by clicking on the List for Sale option. This option is designed explicitly for users like you who are looking to find a buyer for their domain. After clicking on List for Sale, you'll be prompted to get started with the listing process. Click on the Get Started button to begin. This is your first step towards officially listing your domain in the marketplace. Now it's time to set the price. You'll be asked to type in the amount in USD that you wish to sell your domain for. Setting a price can be tricky. You want to ensure that it reflects the domain's value while also making it attractive to potential buyers. Do some research ahead of time to see how similar domains are being priced. Finally, with your price set, the last step is to publish your listing. Click on the Publish Listing button and voila, your domain is now officially listed for sale on Godaddy's marketplace. Potential buyers can view your listing and if interested, they can initiate the purchase process. Some additional tips to keep in mind when listing your domain for sale include making sure your domain name is catchy and easy to remember, providing a clear and detailed description of what the domain could be used for, and being responsive to potential buyers' inquiries. Remember, selling a domain can sometimes take time, so patience is key. Keep an eye on your Godaddy account for any offers or messages from interested buyers. If you do receive an offer, consider it carefully. Negotiation may be part of the process, but always aim for a price that's fair for both you and the buyer. In conclusion, selling on Godaddy's website is a straightforward process when you know these steps to follow. From logging into your account to publishing your domain listing, each step is designed to help you successfully sell your domain. Keep the tips we've discussed in mind, and you'll increase your chances of a successful sale. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to sell on Godaddy's website. Whether you're downsizing your digital portfolio or looking to make a profit from a domain you no longer need, following these steps will guide you towards achieving your selling goals. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials. Happy selling!